Hello everyone, today we make two type of vegan butter. The white one I use coconut oil, the darker one is cacao butter, and it's so healthy, perfect. You can use for many dessert or you can spread in the bread. If this is first time to watch me, my name is Ahmed Yunus, best champion of Africa 2011. A lot of cruise line as a corporate best chef for Royal Caribbean, MSC and Norwegian Cruise Line. What we need for beginning, 500 ml of vegan milk. Any type of vegan milk you have, you can make this kind of butter. If you see my previous videos, I make 4 types of vegan milk. You can look out, I will leave the link below. All you need, this I use soya milk. All you need, you just reheat the milk or soya milk till 50 centigrade, just 50. If you don't have thermometer, you can use your finger. If it's warm enough, you close the induction or gas. Then you added 2 spoons or 2 bottle cover of apple vinegar or apple cider. As soon as you stir the milk, it will curdle like cheese, and this exactly what we need. It takes like 3 minutes, and then you have all curdle of the milk. Then you bring pinch of salt if you use it for dessert, so you don't add it too much salt. If you make it as a spread butter, go ahead 2-3 grams as you like. You mix and then you spread, strain with tablecloth or cheesecloth or paper napkin, whatever you have. Then we have here, it almost 120 grams the leftover from this curdle, 300 gram cacao butter, 50 gram olive oil, 3 gram licitin powder. That's it. You can do with cacao butter or coconut oil, is up to you. So as I do with cocoa butter, and then the previous one I make with coconut. Go ahead, mix all together for 3 minutes, high speed, till all emulsify. Lecithin helps 2 kind of oil to emulsify. If you don't have lecithin powder, you can use lecithin liquid. 3 grams both, they give the same effect. Make sure you have high speed in the blender for 3 minutes continuously. I have a big section in my YouTube channel for vegan. I have vegan dessert, vegan macaron, vegan decoys, vegan Swiss roll. Please go ahead and watch them. As you see, if you have silicone mold or if you can use ice cubes for freezer, all you need, you keep it 2-3 hours in the freezer, it will set, or you keep it overnight in the fridge, and then you have amazing tasty vegan butter. You can use it for dessert, you can use it for spread. I make sablé, I make tartelette, all from this beautiful vegan butter. This for the darker one, this cacao butter, and white one from coconut oil. You can see the difference. Both is the same recipe. All I change is coconut oil or coconut butter. Thanks.